Hi you guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and what's up? All of my dozens of roses. So as you guys can see by today's title, your girl bought her a hot towel warmer bucket, and it is the color white, as you can see, to go in my bathroom. So I seen this. I seen Jackie Ina with one of these, and I was like, girl, I want one. So here we go. Now we on Amazon, of course, and I seen the price for it. I was like, ooh, girl, it's not even a lie. It's not even a lot of money. Like, get you one. Get you one. So I went and bought me and my best friend Cole one. Hold on, you guys, I'll be right back. Like I was saying, I bought me and my friend Cole one, and here we are. So there's that top that was on this bubble top. This side I took off. Here, side. Go ahead, one other room. And here is the instructions that come with it. I'm quite sure all you have to do is plug it up. Hold on, side. Here, hold this for me. All you have to do is plug it up, and it's probably good to go. So, is it upside down? Oh yeah, it's definitely upside down. Oh, I love how they wrap this. So I love how they wrap this. This is so freaking cute.
I got it.
Now, it is Saloniture Towel. That is the brand there. It looks good, but it has a little dust on it. I'm gonna have to wipe off. Y'all probably can't see that, but oh no, there you go. You can see that it has a little dust, but nothing that can't be wiped off. I ain't gonna complain yet. So, and here's the top. Thank you, Sai. So I went on ahead and plugged it up, and like I said, it's a little nice little sleek thing. It has the power button, the timer, and you just push that. You can do it for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. The thing that I did notice with mine is getting hot, of course, so I guess I can't really complain. But let's see if I can put that down there so you guys can see that crack. I have a crack down there, but we're not gonna complain because it's getting hot, because that's what we need for it to get hot. So yeah, but this is this. So I'm definitely gonna try this out tonight. Put me some towels in there and try this out. This brand is off of Amazon, of course, because that's where we go for everything, Amazon. I will put it down below and show you guys the link if you're thinking about getting one. I think it's a very good investment. So when you get out the shower, you don't have to get out of the shower with a cold towel. So alright y'all, so it's been an hour. The blue light has already went off by itself, so yeah, let's see how this feels. Ooh. Oh my god, I cannot wait to get out the shower after this. I got another towel in there. I'm gonna put this back in here and start this for about 15 seconds. I guess those are seconds. No, not seconds. My bad. Minutes. I guess I'm being slow. 15 minutes, because I'm about to hop in the shower and yeah, get things popping and try this thing out here. Yep, there you have it. You guys have a good day. I'll see you guys for the next one.